Hello everyone, welcome to Viral Craft Hub. In today's video, I will show you how to animate text using keyframes in CapCut. Let's dive in. Open the project, drop the video clip on timeline. After that, drop the default text. Add text, type your message, add your favorite color and font. Move the playhead to the animation start on the timeline. Select the text layer. On the left side, scroll until you find the opacity, since we are fading the text in and out. So reduce the opacity to 0, click the diamond keyframe icon to add the keyframe. The frame will appear automatically on the timeline. Then move the playhead forward for a few seconds. Adjust the opacity to 100% and the keyframe will appear automatically. You can adjust the time by moving the keyframe forward or backward in the timeline line. To fade the text, move the playhead to almost to the end of the clip, add the keyframe while the opacity is at 100. Move the playhead to the end of the clip and reduce the opacity to 0. The next one is how to zoom in and out text. The process is the same. All you have to do is type your text on the left, scroll until you find Transform. Under Transform, you will find Scale. Drop the scale to 1%, click on the diamond key to add keyframe. Move the playhead ahead for a few seconds. Adjust the scale to 100. To be precise, just type the percentage you want. Tap the diamond icon to add the keyframe. The third frame you need to know is how to rotate the text. Select the text on the left, scroll to transform, click on the diamond icon to select all the properties. Move the playhead forward. Drag the text where you want it to start moving, and the keyframe will appear automatically. Just move the playhead and text where you want. Repeat the process until you are satisfied. For better rotation, you can right-click the keyframe icon on the timeline to select Ease in option. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Support the channel by sharing and subscribing.